Hey, Bob here at Mohawk Valley Farm, and I want to share with you a video that we got just a couple days ago of me catching a swarm of bees in my yard. You can see behind me I've got a few hives there, and so one of which we caught just over the weekend. And so pretty exciting to get to share this with you. Doesn't happen often where you get a swarm of bees come to you. So yeah, super cool to show this to you. All right, so we'll go out here to the existing hive and see what we got out here. So I was just checking on them, and they appeared to be coming in and out of the box, but Amy just came out and told me there's a swarm in her backyard, which is just a couple 100 yards away from here. And so now I'm curious if I lost one of my hives. It appears these guys are still here. They're still there. So what we want to do is also check this queen. You look here through this little tube. So we'll just set that right there. This lid back on. A little container here. You can see the bees are still forming around it, but the main thing is the queen is not inside there. So that means that she's inside the box, which is why they're upset that I'm opening their hive. But that's good. So that means we have another swarm of bees over there that we got to go capture. Okay, so I got a box, I got some sugar water, I got a paintbrush. We're gonna see if we can catch a hive of bees, a swarm of bees. But you can see this hive right here is just full of bees. So somewhere in there is a queen. All right, let's see if we can get these bees without these cows getting in the way. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we got our beekeeping suit on. We're gonna squirt them a little sugar water. Could also use a smoker. The sugar water will somewhat clump them together. If I can get this box. Got my paintbrush handy. And I'm gonna dump them in there. The idea being, if you can get the queen in there, probably get to keep the rest of them. Pretty good sized swarm here. Assuming she's in there, but let's go ahead and... So most of the bees are off the pole, and there's a whole lot of bees in that box. We want to transport these guys over to the hive. We'll get these guys. Just keep collecting them. All right. For the most part, I think they're in there. Go ahead and shut up this box. And we'll take them over to the new place. Trying to carry this box and film at the same time is not easy. Got bees all over me. Giant swarm in this box. So we got two boxes here. We got a new box here that we'll have to make do until we get a better setup. So you can see just a giant box of bees here. Giant box of bees. And we're just going to gently brush these bees in here. right, so there you go. We have, if you look in here, we got a bunch of bees. They figured out that's the entrance. And there's some up here that are still coming out, but you can see that most of the part, we got them in there. And then we'll just hope the queen's in there and hope they stay. I believe, I looked inside that hive and there was quite a few bees. I believe that this is a new swarm. So we hope so. Hope we got 3 swarms now. My box isn't perfect. I quickly made a bottom to it. I think I made the gap a little big. I think it'll be okay for tonight. We'll get a better bottom, better, the right size trays for them, because the trays that they're in right now are not the right size. So it'll see if they'll stay. I didn't have the right size trays. I didn't have anything. I did have a bee feeder that they can get some sugar water. So there's a good chance that they'll stay for that. And if the queen's in there, you know, they're looking for a new home. So hopefully they find this suitable and we can keep this swarm. It'd be really cool to get 3. Here's a few minutes later. They're making lots of noise, flapping their wings. I think what they're doing is they're telling the other bees that they're here. They're communicating that this is their new home. So they flap their wings and they make that noise, and draws everybody in. Say, okay, here we are. This is our house now. Come on in. So that's really cool. They do that for a reason. They do it to keep warm, but they also do it to communicate. So really, really cool. All right, there you go. 1 box of bees. We'll see if they stay around. Until next time. As always, if you like our videos, please like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love bringing those to you each and every week. Again, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.